Are you tired of hiding all year in pants because you're embarrassed about unsightly spider or varicose veins? Or maybe you want to turn back the clock, tighten up those telltale smile and laugh lines and crow's feet, and uncover a younger, more radiant you. Please welcome cardiovascular disease specialist Dr. Rahul Malhotra. He is the founder and medical director of Healthfinity. Great to see you.
Thank you, Susan.
And we were chatting before the show, and you all take a whole body approach to wellness. Tell us a little more about that.
We do. At Healthfinity, after 27 years in interventional cardiology, treating and doing surgeries, I wanted to go towards a much more preventative program, and that's what Healthfinity is. So we're involving naturopathic, functional medicine opportunities, as well as what we do in cardiovascular disease prevention. And our focus additionally is on fit veins.
Fit veins, okay, so that's a term I haven't heard before, fit veins,
Right.
and that is in particular to varicose and spider veins. What is fit veins?
Yes, venous vein disease causing varicose veins and spider veins signifies a lot more additional problems that could be occurring in patients that could be much more ominous. So looking at those problems and trying to prevent these problems to occur, or even treating them once they do occur.
We're looking at some before and afters. What are we seeing here?
So on the left side, on the image, you're seeing a large varicose vein that can lead into much more problems with what we call chronic venous insufficiency, which means pooling of blood sitting inside the legs and not getting good oxygen and leading to additional problems.
And so many people, as you were saying, have this but don't necessarily know they have this, and more importantly, don't know the health risks.
Well, if you have this, you can see it and you have it, but most people don't recognize that you can get this with venous insufficiency, which is pooling of the blood there. So keeping the veins healthy is what we're about, and if you have this problem, treating it.
And this is what's called spider veins.
These are spider veins.
Okay.
So if you have discoloration, heaviness in the legs, cramping, restless legs, all those things could be due to this, so we look into that.
And what causes varicose and spider veins? What causes that?
Well, it's because the valves that are there in the veins don't function anymore. They're really fragile valves. And if they stop functioning, the blood pools in the legs and sits there. And so as you can see, the valves right now are being shown the blood should go one way towards the heart to pick up oxygen in the lungs. But if the veins, once you stand for too long in this earth, the valves do not work. If you have increased weight, or if you have genetic problems, the valves lose their function.
This is truly one of the most impressive images I've seen of how exactly the blood flow is supposed to happen.
Right.
And if you have improper veins, it's just not happening that way.
It's not.
Which could cause really serious heart issues and
That's right.
risks. I loved the word that you used. You said preventative. How do you help people prevent this from happening?
So from a combination of inflammatory monitoring, testing, as well as medications, diet, and exercise, guiding patients on that.
Yeah, and you use really state-of-the-art equipment. Can you
That's
tell us a little bit about the equipment that you use there?
So as far as treating the veins, we're using a combination of thermal, which is laser or radio frequency, but we have a new product also. There's a bioadhesive to treat the veins, to close the veins, to protect you. And that's just out 10 days ago or so in the whole country. So we're one of the
Wow.
first people in the country to have that. It's called Clarivane.
Wow, 10 days on the market.
About 10, 15 days.
Congratulations. Yes. Well, in addition to having fit veins and all of the vascular health that you do at Healthfinity, you can also help us look younger and feel younger. Tell us a little bit about that.
Of course. If you are living longer, feeling better, you need to live younger. So we have a med spa that focuses on skin rejuvenation and making you look better.
Oh, wow. So we want to look good from the inside out.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Let's give you some information now. If you want to take years off your face or get those varicose and spider veins taken care of, Healthfinity is located at 11333 North Scottsdale Road, Suite 115 in Scottsdale. To book your appointment today, call Healthfinity at 480-765-2800 or go online, healthfinityusa.com.